Okay, hi YouTube. I wanted to come and actually do a short tutorial on the Eveline Cosmetics Slim Extra 3D Thermal Fat Burner. I was going to try the extreme one because I'm almost done with this. And what I've noticed from using this is that it somewhat works, but if you have intense cellulite, like very deep fat deposits, I think you need to probably go see a professional for that. But I'll show you my legs now, and then I'll show you a routine that I'm going to actually start doing with the new product that I buy from this company. Because what I've used just with this is just rubbing it on my legs, and then you feel that intense burning, therapeutic, kind of tingling sensation in your legs, which is what you're supposed to feel. So I have on shorts. And I have thick legs. I've always had thick thighs. I ran track, and running track and doing certain sports kind of transforms different ethnic groups or different people differently. Like, you know, some people may become more leaner, other people may become more bulkier, and I've become bulky. I haven't ran track like that since high school, which was like 11 years ago. But where I gained my weight is mostly in my thigh area, and I had a lot of bad cellulite on my legs, and it's gotten better. I'm gonna stand up on a chair just so you can see it. It's gotten better. I used to have it really bad in here, but what I do is, and I'll demonstrate. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna get the extreme thermal fat burner for this, and I'm going to see how that works, and then I'm going to use it in conjunction with this vibrator. Now you can get this vibrator, any type of vibrator, from Walmart. I think I paid maybe $15–20, no more than $20 for this. And pretty much what most people use this for is just for massage remedies and stuff like that, like for their back and stuff like that. But I thought, like, when you go sometimes into the clinic, if you ever went to a beauty clinic and maybe got light laser treatment done or body sculpturing done, they do various techniques. Even with people with cellulite, they use like a vibrating machine, although I think the vibrating machine has particular lights on the end of it. But I just thought that if you use something like this that constantly moves, and if you're moving it on your skin, that you can actually start to break up those particular fat deposits in your leg, and you can break it up and possibly smooth out your skin. Now, I've used this on my legs for probably about a week. Like I said, I'm going to be more persistent and consistent with this because it just popped in my head, like, why not use this in conjunction with this as I'm applying this? But what I noticed is that if you're going to use this, you have to do it at least for 15 minutes on each leg. That way your leg is getting the full benefits of the vibration along with the cream. Now, if you don't want to use any type of chemicals or anything on your legs, you can use natural creams, like you can use almond oil or you can use coconut oil or something to that nature. It has a moisture to it, and that way you'll be able to vibrate and actually get that particular cream into your skin. It'll sink into your skin, and constant movement actually break up those fatty deposits and those cells, those fatty tissues that you want to break down anyway. So this is just a home remedy that I thought about doing just to save money on going to the clinic, like I was going to the Advanced Wellness Center to get lipo laser surgery, which is like a non-invasive light laser that goes on your leg and then it heats up. And I didn't really notice too much. I didn't notice a difference from that. And I think I had got a Groupon sale for $99 for 4 sessions, and they recommended that I get like 8 to 12 sessions. And I was just like, you know what, I'm going to continue to do some home remedy stuff and save myself some money and see if that works first. And if it doesn't, then I'll proceed with further precautions or further matters on going to see a professional, possibly to suck out or to get rid of the cellulite. So pretty much what I'm going to do is put the Eveline cosmetic gel. It's like a gel. It's the consistency of hair gel. And what I do is I rub it on my legs. I rub it where I want to put the machine at. And now usually before I started using the machine, I would just keep rubbing it in until the gel has seeped into my skin. But since I will be using the vibrator, and I still wanted to have some type of moisture, so the vibrator can easily maneuver. See? And so I just continue to do this, and I do it on both legs. I'm not going to be able to do it for the full length of time for this video because, like I said, you want to do it for at least 15 minutes on each leg, and you want to keep moving. So you know, make sure it's mobile. You're able to keep moving it around, and you may need to take a rest. Like after you do the first leg for 15 minutes, you may want to take a 30-minute break because your arm may be tired from constantly moving. But this is the way that you're able to actually really get into these fatty tissue and try to break down some of this cellulite. So you may notice that your legs may be getting a little red, and you may even start to feel that that thermal burning going on, and that's good because, like I said before, you're supposed to feel that. So again, like I said, I'm not going to do the whole 15 minutes on each leg. I'm going to do it until the cream seeps in and dissipates, and then I'm going to go into the next leg and do it. But I'm just going to show you the type of motion that I do. I do a circular motion, circular, 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 inner thigh, wherever you have your problem area, that's what you want to target. Inner thigh, upper, and then I go up and down. Now, I would assume that it's okay to go down on the leg because that's the way your hair normally grows. And so, if anybody does this for a living and is an expert at this, let me know if I'm doing something wrong or incorrect, because I don't know if going down can push anything down as far as the fatty cells, or should I go up? So I do a combination of up and down and circular motions. Now notice, if you get any type of chemical reaction to this, some type of medical condition, maybe you have eczema that may occur and may become extremely bad, or you get extreme bruising, I recommend stop and consult a physician. If you have very sensitive skin, you need to stop, consult a physician, and have them tell you what you need to do. Like I said, this is just a home remedy that I thought about doing, that I figured that could definitely help and help me save money. Again, you don't have to use this thermal burner. You can use coconut oil, almond oil, Vaseline, whatever you decide to use. Okay, so now I'm done with this leg, because I'm going to Puerto Rico. So I was trying to do all this stuff before my Puerto Rico trip, which is next week. Next week. Okay, so now this is the leg here. And I have quite a few, I bruise very easily. So, like I said, I'm working on a cream to lighten up spots. A natural cream. Hopefully it works. Okay, so now, again, circular motion, up and down, outer thigh, outer thigh. You want to do 15, maybe 20 minutes on each leg. So you're breaking down those fat cells and tissues. And then it's very therapeutic too. You're giving yourself a massage, you know. If your problem area is underneath, you want to go everywhere your problem area is, go underneath. Which it may be a little difficult at first, but once you become familiar with the movements, you'll be okay. Okay, so I'm going to cut it short. So this is what I do. Like I said, it doesn't really matter the type of vibrator that you get, as long as you know, it has like a high speed to it. And that's my remedy. And I'll come back probably a month from now to show improvements. You've seen my legs before. I'll stand up again on the chair. And then that way we can see together if there are any improvements. Which I see a dent here. You know, the dent has been here. And that's that. So, alright, toodaloo.